With the rise of e-commerce, there's just so many orders that come in on peak timeframes that it's hard to manage in your building, like what needs to be worked on right now. So by having a goods to operator process, you can eliminate any unnecessarily movement from your labor, and you're really just letting the software and the hardware bring that to the user for a more efficient process. And it really allows the software to determine what's best for that user to be working on. We can automate if a pick's needed, or if you have a problem with your inventory, we can send that to the operator and they can address it as needed on the fly, instead of having to have a supervisor research what's needed, deploy it to a user that needs to go get an RF gun and then walk to the location. We're able to do that through our goods to operator processing.